Okay, we're going to go over three different types of triangle congruencies. Angle, side, angle, 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 side, and hypotenuse, leg. So if you had two triangles like this, let me just draw them. And let's say that this is 70 degrees here. I'll make this one 70. And this side is 10. And this side is 10. And we put 30 degrees here. And I'm just making these up. I don't care about how well they look. If it looks like it's a 30-degree angle or a 70-degree angle, I really don't care. But I'm more interested in this. Angle, side, angle. We have two angles that match up. So we have a pair of angles. We have a side that matches up, 10 and 10. And then we have a corresponding angle again. So they have to be in order. Angle and the side between the other angle. Angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. This is angle, side, angle congruence. So I know that these two triangles are definitely congruent to each other by angle, side, angle. Let's look at angle, angle, side. Let me use the same triangles, but I do something a little bit differently. If I put the number, let's say 12 out here, the only way that these two triangles would be congruent to each other by angle, angle, and side is we have an angle, another angle next to it, and a side here. So we need angle, angle, and then the side right after that. So these two triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side. So it follows that here's angle 1, then next is angle 2, and then right after that we got our sides. If we had something like this though, these two triangles would not be congruent by angle, angle, side. And here's the reason why. This 70 degrees is coming first. So let's match that up with this. Then what we're doing is we're moving to the other angle. Whoops, because this one is first. Sorry. This is first. We're going to the second piece, which is this other angle. And then we need the side that comes right after this. Angle, angle, and the next thing is a side. So this is the third. Angle, angle, and the next thing, this would be the third piece. Angle, angle, side. But they didn't give us this to be 12. They gave us this one to be 12. So this set would not be congruent by angle, angle, side. Let's look at hypotenuse, leg. In order to have a hypotenuse, we have to have a right triangle. So here's our right triangle. And let's do another right triangle. Okay. If they gave us the hypotenuses on both of these, let's say this one's 12 and this one's 12. And let's make this one 8. And I'm going to pick this one to be 8. Because I have two hypotenuses, they're both 12. So I got the hypotenuses to match up. And I got two legs to match up. These would automatically be congruent triangles by hypotenuse leg. If you don't believe it, like some people say, well, why is the 8 over here? Maybe the 8 has to be over here. Well, watch. If I rotated this triangle, it would match up because as I flipped it, like I rotated it, not flipped, I mean 8, and the 12 would be here, and it would be in the same orientation. So what you need to do is for any of these, make sure that it's in the right orientation, and make sure whether you're doing angle side angle, angle side, or hypotenuse leg. Those are all the remaining 3 of the triangle congruencies that we were